Are you looking for a condo complex that has a real community feel? One that's pet friendly and maintenance free, and also intelligently designed that offers a lot of the units privacy with a great woodline backdrop? If you are, then Blanchard Farms is where you want to be, in Westford, Massachusetts, right off of Graniteville Road. My name is Bill Pozaricki of the Pozaricki Arpino team, and behind the camera is my business partner, Linda Arpino.
Hello, everybody.
And we are going to talk about Blanchard Farms. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you for staying with us. We also recently did a condo complex in Chelmsford, and we'll put that URL here on the screen so you can check that one out as well. Don't forget to like our Facebook business page and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. Thank you again, everybody. Bye-bye.